Hello students, in this video we are going to learn one of the important short answer question from the chapter Quadratic Expressions. Let us see question. Determine the range of the expression x minus 1 into x plus 2 whole divided by x plus 3 over r. So, in quadratic expressions, range problems are very important. Okay. So, every range problem we used to proceed with the naming of the given expression as something what do remember. So let us give let x minus 1 into x plus 2 whole divided by x plus 3 must be named as something y. Means indirectly we have to find the range of y. So what is the possible simplification here? Cross multiplication. Okay, by y by 1 cross multiplication. So y into x plus 3, okay, y into x plus 3 equals to x minus 1 into x plus 2, x minus 1 into x plus 2. So y into x, yx plus y into 3, 3y equals to x into x square plus x into 2, 2x minus into 1x, x minus 1 into plus 2 minus 2. Now, better to shift these terms to this side because x square, we have only one x square term, coefficient of x square must be positive. Na? So that's why better to shift these two terms to this side. So let us write first this side terms. First x square plus 2x minus x plus x minus 2. Now on shifting plus yx become minus yx plus 3y become minus 3y, that equals to 0. Now try to convert this into the standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So first x square term, next x term, next constant. So here we have x square term. Next we have two x terms. So take x common. On taking x common, here we left with 1. Here minus y remain into x. Next constant minus 2 minus 3y is the constant, that is equals to 0. Let it be equation number 1. So we got into the standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So here a is 1, coefficient of x square is a. So here a is equals to 1, b is equals to coefficient of x 1 minus y, c is a constant minus 2 minus 3y. We can take minus common, minus of 2 plus 3y we can write. Okay. So after having ABC values, think about nature of roots of equation 1. So x given as real, since x is real, y also become real. So roots of equation 1 must be real because x equals to, on solving this quadratic equation, you are going to get two values for x. Na? So already we know that x is real. So those two values must be real. So real roots, equation 1 will have real roots. That's what we have to write. Since x is real, roots of equation 1 must be real. Now let us remind real roots condition. You know what is real roots condition? Delta greater than or equals to 0. Discriminant greater than or equals to 0. What is delta? B square minus 4ac greater than or equals to 0. Substitute ABC values. So b value 1 minus y. Na? On substituting b value 1 minus y, b square become 1 minus y whole square minus 4 into a value 1 into c minus of 2 plus 3y minus of, okay, that minus we can write here, minus into minus become plus. Na? 2 plus 3y greater than or equals to 0. Now simplification part. 1 minus y whole square look like a minus b whole square. Apply formula, a minus b whole square, a square 1 square 1 plus b square minus 2ab plus 4 into 1 4, 4 2s are 8 plus 4 3s are 12, y greater than or equals to 0. Now we have y square term. Next, minus 2y plus 12y plus 10y. 1 plus 8, 9 plus 9 greater than or equals to 0. So this is a quadratic expression involved on LHS of this inequation. We have a quadratic expression. So split into factors in order to get a formula which is related to inequalities. So convert this into factors. So what are the possible factors? Let us find. To find the factors, you know the procedure. Coefficient of y square 1 into constant is 9. 1 into 9, 9. 1 into 9, 9. So 9 is nothing but your required product. Now sum. So think about sum. Sum is nothing but your middle term, coefficient of middle term. Coefficient of middle term 10 na? So sum must be 10. Now think about two numbers whose product is 9 and whose sum is 10. So if you think we can get two numbers. What are the two numbers you can get? 1 and 9. Am I right? 1 into 9, 9. 1 plus 9, 10. Product sum. So both the conditions satisfied now. So now apply these numbers here. So what do you get? Y square as it is. First term and last term as it is. Middle term you have to express in terms of factors. It is nothing but 1 and 9. Na? 1 is nothing but 1y plus 9y plus 9 greater than or equals to 0. Now we can take y common. On taking y common, y plus 1. Y plus 1 will remain. Plus 9 we can take common. Y plus 1 greater than or equals to 0. Overall we get y plus 1 as the common term. On taking y plus 1 common, y plus 9. Y plus 9 will remain greater than or equals to 0. Now, so in this situation we have to remind inequalities formula. X minus alpha into x minus beta greater than or equals to 0. X minus alpha into x minus beta greater than or equals to 0 formula you have to remind. So what is the formula? X less than or equals to alpha or x greater than or equals to beta. So here we should have negative sign. If you observe the formula, if you compare these two, here and here we should have negative symbol. But we don't have negative symbol now. We can create negative symbol. How? Plus 1 can also be written as minus of minus 1, right? So let me write y as it is. Plus 1, I would like to write it as minus of minus 1. Part of creating negative sign. So y as it is. Plus 9. Plus 9 can be written as minus of minus 9 greater than or equals to 0. Now clearly it's in the form of x minus alpha into x minus beta greater than or equal to 0. But of these two values, after negative sign you see here we have minus 1, here we have minus 9. Of these two values, smaller value is alpha, greater value is beta. You see minus 1, minus 9, smaller one is minus 9. So that must be assumed as alpha and minus 1 must be assumed as beta. So which is in the form of x minus alpha into x minus beta greater than or equals to 0. So you should write formula now. X less than or equals to alpha. X means here y less than or equals to alpha. Alpha is minus 9 or x means y greater than or equals to beta. Beta is minus 1. So now I can write range now. Suppose if you draw a number line, middle 0. So both are negative values. No? Here minus 1. Suppose here minus 9. So y value less than or equals to minus 9. Y value greater than or equals to minus 1. Y value does not lies in between minus 9 and minus 1. So how can you write now range of given expression? Range of given expression is y belongs to y value less than or equals to minus 9. How much less we don't know. So the least possible value is minus infinite. So minus infinite to minus 9. R means union. Again greater than or equals to minus 1. minus 1, from minus 1 to, oh, we don't know how much greater, we don't know. So maximum possible value is infinite. So at minus infinite and infinite use open brackets. At minus 9 as well as minus 1 use closed brackets. So this would be the range of given expression.